Hi, good morning again from Electronica 2022. My name's Andy Pratt and I'm with What's New Electronics TV. I'm joined this morning by Bruno from All Circuits. Welcome, Bruno.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Have you been coming to Electronica for many years?
Yeah, for about 15 years maybe
about 15
now.
Years,
yeah, right. So we're pretty happy to be back here after this COVID session, I would say. There's plenty of people, so we're really glad to be there, proud to be there.
Yeah, well, let's hope you have a great exhibition. Tell me a bit about All Circuits and what you're up to at the moment.
Sure. So All Circuit, we're definitely French. It's a French EMS. We have two big plants, one in Main-sur-Loire and one in Bayonne.
Right, okay.
And one in Tunisia.
Yeah.
In Tunis, and one in Mexico, in Guadalajara.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So it's about 300 million turnover, and we're about 2,000.
Right, wonderful.
And most of our business is automotive. So 75% is automotive, and 25% is industrial communication, and a lot of products which are coming back from China.
Right, wonderful. So tell me, I hear you've just expanded your factory. What's happened there? What have you done?
Okay, so we just added new wings to our MSL factory. The idea is that we are at the beginning of big opening for us for three reasons. One is due to the automation we did. Okay, we have now more than 300 robots in the same plant.
Right, wow.
We are back to be competitive. When I say back to be competitive, in France we are 1-2% above the Chinese price.
Right.
So when you add transportation, time to market, quality, we are competitive. So a lot of people are coming back to see us. The second point is that I will say thanks to the COVID, not really thanks to the COVID, but due to the COVID, a lot of people are really wondering if it does make sense to produce in China. And they really think that it's better to produce where the market is. Right. So they are really looking for a new player like us to manufacture their board in Europe. Last but not least, we have also big windows with the electrical vehicle. Basically, you are moving away from the piece of metal, and you are replacing this piece of metal by a piece of electronics.
All right.
And there is a lot of demand, so a lot of market share to grab.
Yeah.
And that's where we have a lot of opportunity right now.
Fantastic. So you say the EV market is particularly important to you right now?
Yeah, it's starting.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are working on new lines since now about 2 years, and we're about to really. Well, we're already started, but we're producing now a real product at high volume for electrical vehicle.
Right.
I forget to tell you, despite we are in France, we are in the high volume market.
Okay.
So we are producing more than 4,000 boards a day in France.
Yeah.
Okay. So our value added, the direct labor, is less than 5%.
Right. Okay.
So when you are less than 5%, you might be competitive.
Right, okay. So you're one of the biggest EMS companies in France at the moment. And where do you see the biggest growth areas coming from?
Definitely electrical vehicle. Actually, we have two big growths that we're trying to grab, as I was explaining. You have the electrical vehicle, okay, and you have plenty of occasion to really have more board in the electrical vehicle. It's not only the electrical vehicle, so to speak, but then the power conversions, that the telecommunications, that easy to use a car, so a lot of electronics.
Yeah.
And the other big growth for us is really all the production of the board which were used to be made in China or in Asia, which are coming back to Europe.
Yeah. So the big thing is, you're a couple of percentage points on price above what China are charging.
Right.
But you're saving people the money for.
Yeah, we are saving on a lot of points. Transportation first, okay. Quality. There is there's a difference between 1 to 1,000 between the quality in our plant and the quality in the China plant. So it's a big point. Then you have also time to market. In this time where it's difficult to get component, you need to be able to change component from one component to another instantaneously, almost. But when you have board which are in the boat for six weeks, you cannot do that.
Yeah.
So by being on site in Europe, we are able to react more quickly.
Wonderful. And you've got a stand here at Electronica?
Yeah, in A1 240.
Yeah.
So please come visit us.
Okay. Well, listen, thanks ever so much, Bruno, for coming along today and having a chat with me. And wish you all the best for the future, and hope you get a lot of good leads out of the show.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bye-bye.